Okay, back again. Sorry for the interruption. Had to yell at the cat. This thing. This appears to be Treasures of the Princess. Double berry flavored cake cookie is deliciously filled with strawberry and blueberry jam. It's a nice pick-me-up when watching the cherry blossoms. I have no cherry blossoms. Ooh. Ooh, this looks yummy. It's falling apart. It's one of those things. Mmm. Kind of like a Fig Newton, but not entirely like a Fig Newton. I highly recommend picking up Treasures of the Princess if you have the opportunity. Ooh, what's this? I don't know what this is. This is something. Now we'll figure that out in a minute. These are, what are these? Mini peach. Mini peach. They are apparently available in vending machines in areas that are far more cultured than the one I live in. And they are peach-flavored ramune, whatever, I can't say it, tablets. So, if I could figure out how to open this thing, I think I'm doing this right. I could be wrong. Ooh, okay, so they're like Pez-ish, sort of. I don't know. Those weren't bad. Not bad at all. Sorry. What's this? Ooh. I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is probably gum. Again, I do not speak Japanese, so I'm just guessing, but going to say this is gum. And according to the little handy-dandy brochure here, this is not gum. It is a common treat to have during Hanami. I hope I pronounced that right. If I did not, I am sorry. Which is the Cherry Blossom Festival thing. They come with a toothpick to grab the pieces with. I do see a toothpick. We shall use the toothpick. I'm going to mess this up. I'm going to mess this up and probably spill a bunch of shit. Oh, dear sweet Lord. How do I open this thing? Oh. Think I got it. Let's see if I can do this without tearing shit everywhere. Oh, nope. Oh, yeah, I did it. Now I gotta get... They look like this. Little teeny tiny things on a toothpick. These things are really good. Put the toothpick back and see if I can do this without spilling shit. Again, I'm never going to get to screw it. A little chewy, kind of like gum, but not gum. Gummies. That's the thing. Probably should have been drinking more water between each thing so I would get better tastes, but you'll have that. This, it's a teeny tiny piece of pie. I like pie. This is strawberry short chocolate. Seems self-explanatory, but the bite-sized chocolate is just so cute. It actually really is super cute. Look at it. It is shaped like a strawberry shortcake, but made with chocolate. Whatever. Let's eat it. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely chocolate. I like chocolate. You can probably tell. And last, but certainly not least, and I've been looking forward to this one, peach Coke. I love Coke. The beverage, not the drug. Not judging you, but this isn't that kind of video, so if you feel like you've been misled, I apologize. I'm kind of ambivalent about this one because I do love Coke, but I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about peach. Not really a big fan of peach. I know that technically living in the South, I should not say that. Hopefully I won't spill this everywhere. Holy Jesus. This could get ugly. But it didn't. Ooh. Oh, damn. Oh, this is really good. This is like, you know, Coke, but with just enough hint of peach so it's not completely Coke, but enough Coke so it's not completely peach. All right, so that appears, no, that's not it. So we've got the, still got, okay, what's this thing? So this is probably Chimichaco Caramel Macchiato. I don't know, whatever. Caramel Macchiato flavored delicate stars are the perfect snack to bring to a picnic under the cherry blossoms. They are specially made to be crunchy while rich with a chocolate. Okay. Stars. Picture of stars. So I'm guessing that's them. Ooh, holy crap. These smell really good. Get some water because these are going to taste like ass after Coke. Okay. So they look kind of like, I don't know, but they smell really good. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus, I wish they had stuff like this here. Holy shit, these are awesome. All right. Let's see, I did that and that and this one. All right. So this is the last thing. Where'd it go? I just saw it. Dear sweet Lord. Son of a bitch, where did it go? Doki Doki Fishing. I'm guessing I'm saying that right. I don't know. When you're about to reel in a big fish, it can get your heart racing. Doki Doki. Okay. This DIY gives you a taste of the excitement by making your own grape-flavored fish candy. All right. I'm not used to candy that requires assembly, but, you know, hey, whatever. So apparently, oh, balls. Okay, so, aha, there's a DIY tutorial on the back. Because they know that I'm a dumbass. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this because you apparently put string in stuff and then scoop up stuff with other stuff and then mix stuff with stuff that you've scooped up, and then the stuff that you've scooped gets scooped with other stuff, and you have to use water, and then you wait for it to harden, and then you catch a fish. So I'm probably going to come back to this later, or at least make the thing and then show the end result of the thing before I eat the thing. And yeah, there's some neat other stuff in here, like in the little booklet. It's got, tells you what's in the next crate. And then there's a thing like what's happening in Japan, ship festival, and tightrope lion dance. Jesus, words. And then you can learn Japanese. There. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce any of this because, quite frankly, I don't want to butcher a language. You've seen how well I do with English. I don't really want to. So, yeah, that was the thing. Definitely worth buying. I will probably do another video. No, I'll definitely do another video because I like to babble and rant incoherently, as you may have already noticed. I also talk with my hands a lot, sorry. So yeah, I'll probably do another video or 2 or 3. Again, sorry for the horrible quality and my obvious bumbling and stumbling, because I got no idea what the hell I'm doing. Which is a really apt description of my life, because most of the time I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. But sometimes I can fake it well. So anyway, I'm going to do another video sooner or later. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Constructive criticism is always welcome. Do not tell me to go fornicate myself while I don't object to that. I'm not going to do that on video. You don't want to see that, and nobody else does on YouTube either. Trust me. Nonetheless, constructive criticism is cool. If you like it, thumbs up. Tell me what you thought. Subscribe for whatever reasons if you feel the pressing need to watch me say stupid shit and probably drink lots of coffee, talk with my hands, all that other random crap. I have no idea what any of my other videos will be. I subscribe to this thing. This is my first one, but I'll get another one next month, which would be May, March, April. This is April, so next month would be May. Because you're a month behind because it's coming from Japan. So in April you get March's crate, May you get April's crate, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I will be doing this again. If nothing else, I will probably do another unboxing video. Ooh, there's a picture of some kind of weird-ass Cheetos on here, and I'd kind of like to try those. Anyway, be that as it may, I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. If you did, thank you. See y'all later.